Welcome to Glitz Nails and Design. In today's video, we are going to show you how to do a beautiful 3D art encapsulation diamond pink and white nail art design. Please follow along for easy step-by-step instructions. In this step, you are going to apply the base gel. Please take a look in the description box where we provide a list of product recommendations to create this look. Once you have finished, cure the nail for 60 seconds. Then you're going to apply a first coat of white gel polish. Then cure again for 60 seconds. Now you will apply a second coat of white gel polish. If you would like to have this look done for you, then save this video and create the design yourself using our step-by-step instructions. You can also share it with your nail technician. Then cure again for 60 seconds. Apply a third coat of white gel polish to really seal that base color. Then cure for 60 seconds. Now to get started with the nail design, you're going to paint pink lines across the nail with a nail art line brush. Then cure for 60 seconds. In this step, you're going to use hard gel to create 3D lines along the nail, giving you that 3D art nail design. We so appreciate you watching, and we are happy to share these free nail design videos and tutorials. If there are any designs that you would like to see, please let us know in the comments. Now cure your design for 60 seconds. Now you will apply adhesive gel to secure the gems. At this step, start applying your gems. Cure the nail for 60 seconds. We are now at the finish line, and you're going to apply your top coat. For this final step, you're going to cure the nail for 120 seconds. We are now finished creating a beautiful encapsulation 3D art nail design. Thank you for watching. If you liked or learned something, please hit the like button. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification icon, as we are dedicated to bringing you inspirational nail art design videos. You can also check out our nail art tutorial videos on our channel.